one here is, what are the best sources to attract multi-millionaire investors? Let me tell you some of the sources we use. Number one, think about the affinity that you have. You guys have followed me for any time at all. You know my entire life I've been in the racehorse industry. I own a bunch of racehorses. We race them all over the country. And I know a lot of wealthy individuals just from being in that clique, so to speak. Anything that you're interested in, you have an affinity. And you can find the multi-millionaires that are in that business as well. So I'll give you an example. Let me give you a website resource. If you go to macromark.com, okay, that's just a mailing list broker. Again, it's macromark.com, M-A-C-R-O-M-A-R-K. And if you go to macromark.com, you'll see you can find just about anybody you can describe. I can find people that live in the state of Texas that have a net worth of over $10 million, that live in a home worth over $1 million that has no liens, and they subscribe to Smart Money Magazine, Entrepreneur Magazine, The Wall Street Journal, and In Fisherman. And if I'm a real estate agent in Florida, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, you know what? I know you're a millionaire, you want to make tons of money, but you know there's some great fishing down here, and we're catching sharks right now, or we're catching bonitas right now, and this is something you need to think about. Why don't you opt in and learn about how you can invest in real estate in Florida? And then I can show you, hey, here's a great time to go fishing as well. We can check on your investments twice a year while you come to town and you go fishing. If you're in an area that's golfing, did you know you can find the people with a $10 million net worth that live in a home worth over $1 million that subscribe to Golf Digest? And you can have that affinity marketing to attract these wealthy individuals. And again, in that full course, I'm going to go into complete detail on that. We have agents right now that are getting not only investors, but they're even getting some of these hedge funds that are buying lots and lots of properties, literally dozens of closings with all cash offers going over asking price. So it's very easy to get them, but it's one of the best sources. I tell you, if you go to macromark.com, as much as you can explain somebody, you can get a list of them and have a good offer when you market to them via email or direct mail, and you can get them to opt in with you and be willing to buy properties in your area, even if they live in another state or another country. No question, we got a lot of investors coming in from China, from Canada, from Japan, Europe, everywhere. They're bringing money into the U.S. because they can never beat the offer that we have here right now. They can get an 8 to 10% ROI, secured by real estate, and managed by state licensed professionals.
Hey, hopefully you enjoyed that video and it's been helpful for you. Do me a favor, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get information on more videos as they become available, and also check out the description below this video so you can see more links that'll be helpful for your business.